वेलकम टू फिटर वाईफाई। आज मैं टॉप 500 टेक्निकल एमसीक्यू का पार्ट 1 लाया हूँ फिटर, टनर और मशीनिस्ट के लिए। हमारे चैनल में जो भी नए हैं प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, लाइक करें। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हिच मार्किंग मीडिया इज पॉइजनियस? आंसर इज कॉपर सल्फेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which is the property of metal that can be drawn into wear without rupture? Answer is ductility. Question number 3, what is the name of part marked as X of the file? Answer is ferrule. Question 4, which file is used to make the job close to the finishing size? Answer is second cut file. Question number 5, which file has the parallel edges throughout the length? Answer is hand file. प्लीज कमेंट कीजिएगा आपको अच्छा लगा तो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, which marking media provide clear lines on machine finished surface? Answer is Prussian blue. Question number 7, which caliper is used to mark the center of round bar? Answer is Jenny caliper. Question number 8, what is the name of part marked as X? Answer is fulcrum. Question number 9, which file is used for filling narrow grooves and angle above 10 degree? Answer is knife edge file. Question number 10, which property of metal to resist the effect of tensile forces with rupture? Answer is tenacity. Question number 11, which punch is used for witness mark? Answer is dot punch. Question number 12, what is the name of the caliper having one leg with an adjustable divider point and other leg is bent? Answer is Jenny caliper. Question number 13, what is the name of part marked as X in surface gauge? Answer is snook. Question number 14, which type of datum is followed? Answer is edges datum. Which file is having rows of teeth cut in one direction? Answer is single cut file. Which file is used for filling wood and leather? Answer is rasp cut file. Question number 17, what is the name of the part marked as X? Answer is safe edge. Question number 18, which marking media is applied to rough forging and castings? Answer is whitewash. Question number 19, what is the name of angle between the axis of chisel and job surface white chipping? Answer is clearance angle. Question number 20, what is the name of V block? Answer is single level single groove V block. Thank you.